Okay, that's by saying it's not legitimate is a very weird thing.
I had read it came up after this event where
Yep.
she beat an undefeated boxer, and then people got
Right.
mad.
Right. But did this person, let's Google this then. Did this person, this boxer, did they take a chromosome test? And did you see that article that I sent you?
This article says that originally, right here, originally the test was kept confidential.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Did not undergo a testosterone examination, but were subject to a separate and recognized test whereby the specifics remained confidential. Then the next day, or like Monday, I don't know how many days later that was, then they came out and said something different.
These testings show they have a high level of testosterone. Kremlev said, like men, they have men's level of testosterone. We cannot go further in our investigation. Whether they were born like men or some changes intervene at the later stages.
And then that's where the IOC said what you read earlier, where these tests are not legitimate.
Right.
Done overnight,
Right, but they're not saying why they're not legitimate. This is what gives me pause. When they just keep saying it's not legitimate, the ad hoc nature of the tests are not legitimate, you have to say, when you're talking about a scientific test, there's some test that's repeatable, right? So if you can test for XY chromosome versus XX chromosome, do it. Tell me what the results are. If you can test for testosterone, do it. Tell me what the results are. And if one says male, says XY, and the other one says high levels of testosterone, that's not a woman. Okay?
Sports-wise, yeah, absolutely.